Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the swap mullion tool in order to change your generic mullions inside your G units from the cells model into the corresponding family mullions. First thing you want to do, I have my elevation here. You want to check out the G unit. Just gonna see the overview of it. It's a 4-light unit. It has the top horizontal, which would be the head, HOC W95, and so on the horizontals. So we have the same horizontal family here, and then the bottom left and vertical. So as you can see, these ones are, instead of actual family names, we have a name convention. This name convention was given by the sales team while they were doing the sales model. So what we're going to do with the swap mullion, we're going to switch all these generic family names into the actual families that we need. So you kind of want to have a list here. A good tip before you even start swapping mullions, it's maybe to have your profile Revit families PDF. What the drafter did for this project, they added the naming convention from the sales model and to its corresponding families. So this would be probably a good place to add those names. As you can see, this is the mullion that we need in that elevation. It's called out as a 1HC W95 by the sales model, and this is what we're swapping it with. All right, so that's just a nice tip for you to get organized right before swapping. So I'll be using this. The first thing you want to do is just the swap mullions tool from WW Setup. Click that. You do have the option to individually click a G unit, but since it's the whole elevation, you can drag select. If there's more elevations above, you can window select it too. Click finish, and automatically you'll have your swap mullion window. So the great thing about this is that you don't need to no longer go to files, load in families, and load the families that you need. If you did the old method of insert mullions and where it would do the mullion profiles and the details at the same time, you can't do that now with this new process, because in the generic mullions are in the G units are generic models and not the actual rectangle profiles how they were before. So that said, we have our naming convention that the sales team gave to those mullions. We have the counts, and then we have the options here of the actual families that we want to switch it to. So just quick fact, the swap mullion, all the library here, you can see that I didn't load any families. This list is coming directly from the server, so it should be under the Revit G-Unit mullions, and this is where this list would be in here automatically, so that's why you don't need to load anything in. And then the beauty of this thing is you already have the whole list of mullions here you can choose from, or you can type in the mullion in there that you need, and also you can copy in. So I kind of put in a list already, like here, like my VRC, it's switching to this mullion. So with this new tool, you can actually just from the text put in there, copy it over, and then that will make it very simple. Just going to do that and for every mullion. Okay. And now what it's doing is swapping those generic models into the family names. Okay, it's done. You just want to cut in a quick section. Detail. Want to add the other one just to check that. That's right. You can see we have Mullions set there. That's good. We are missing the sill track. I'll come back to that. Jams. So let me check this one because this might be wrong. So we have our verticals in. So this might just be a graphics. So it actually looks like I probably misplaced this, but now you can go ahead and switch it here to GR. Oh. That's the correct one. So probably my other jam is wrong. So again, technically you can switch it out from here. There we have it. I think this would just be something wrong with the graphics, not really the mullion, but this is the correct mullion there. And that's how you switch your mullions.